Are you currently looking for a new gaming PC or you plan to buy your first gaming PC? On today's video, we have listed some recommended affordable gaming PC in 2020. HP Omen 25L. This gaming PC from HP comes with rectangular black metal design and is supported by AMD configurations. This quite affordable gaming PC is perfect for AMD-leaning gamers. You can also configure this gaming PC up to RTX 2070 Super GPU. This HP Omen 25L is known for its memory and storage. MSI Trident 3 Mind. This small gaming PC is packed with plenty of power, and the performance of this MSI Trident 3 Mind is supported by 9th generation's Intel Core processors and the best Nvidia RTX and GTX graphics. With its Intel Core i7 plus RTX 2060 Super plus 16GB RAM configuration, you can save some money than buying the HP Omen 25L with equivalent specs. Dell G5. The performance of this Dell G5 is supported by 9th generation's Intel chips along with Nvidia GTX and RTX graphics card. This gaming PC also comes with the i3 processor and the GTX 1650 to handle some heavy games. This Dell G5 also comes with VR-ready configurations that is quite tempting for many people, especially when combined with its price tag. HP Omen Obelix. This affordable gaming PC under $1,000 comes with decent specs and upgradable base specs. This HP Omen Obelix also has classier look and design compared to other gaming PC on this list. You can also put this gaming PC on your home office. Intel Ghost Canyon NUC. This gaming PC comes with RAM and larger storage compared to its predecessor. The performance of this gaming PC is also supported by 9th generation's Intel Core chips along with up to 64GB of memory. and up to 4TB dual storage. Sadly, this Intel Ghost Canyon NUC is quite expensive.